Hello and welcome my friend, and then I have in here really interesting test, and now I am planning to do world fastest this motor saw chain sharpening, and this is like test to you also my friend, that how many seconds or minutes it takes that when you sharp your motor saw, this saw chain and this cutting plates in here. And I have in here two motor saws. This is steel from Germany, and this is this Echo or Skidaiva from Japan, and both of these chains are dull and bad, because I have now this saw these chains to ground and rocks and these heavy items, and that's these chains, they are dull and bad, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and this my starting point is really that all of this my cutting these plates are dull, and I have to do in here now sharpening for all of these my chains. And firstly I have to calculate that how many these cutting plates I have in this my chain, because we have different length of these plates in motor saw. Okay, and in that job it is good if we have this Sakura's solid marker pencil, because now I can do in here this yellow mark in here, and this is like starting point number one of these my chains cutting plates. And now I calculate that how many plates I have to sharp. Okay, and I have really in here 28 of these I mark in here, 28 plates, cutting plates what I have to now sharp. And this is this my test and challenge, that how fast I can cut motor saw chain where is 28 plates what I have to sharp. Okay, and now this is also world record this test and challenge, and you can also do my friend this test, that how much it takes when you sharp these plates. And now I check that this is quite movable, and then I start this my test, and I think that I can do this job within below of 3 minutes. What do you think? And let's do that test next. And now I have installed this my motor saw and this blade and chain in this steel vise, and it is like in position, and I will rotate that my blade in another direction, in that way, in this way, and I take this second side. Okay, and let's test that how this happens. And now we can use this standard file if you like to use that one, or then this this battery based Makita cutting disc, this cutting idea what I have now invented, and I will use that because this is like 6 times faster than file. But let's look at how much it takes time to sharp 28 motor saws cutting blades. And let's start that test. Okay, and note also that I mark in here yellow color in here, that we remember that this is like the starting point, and then in another side in here is also those plates what I had to sharp. Okay, good. Now we can see this yellow dot, what means that this is like starting point, and then I have to sharp 28 of these plates. And then rotation. Okay, and now there was time, and let's calculate the result. And this was my test. And now, my friend, please check that what is your time for this 28 plates, and you can also calculate and divide this your amount if you have like a little bit different amount. But this is the basic thing, and please enjoy. And this was really now Guinness World Challenge test, and let's look that can I get my name to that famous book. Okay, and see you in next movie.